Short skirts are perfect for girls in the hot summer. However, with some unwanted body hair, girls are worried that it may ruin their beauty and elegance when wearing short skirts. Shaving hair with honey waxing is too painful. Shavers are better but only maintain a short time with low efficiency, and hair removal cream may cause skin irritation. Our professional IPL hair removal device with the advanced hair removal technology can remove your body hair easily and protect your skin as well. Professionally designed with the advanced IPL technology, this hair removal device can prevent the growth of the hair inside the body, getting rid of body hair permanently. 5 energy level settings suitable for different skin sensitivities, 100% safe and painless hair removal, carrying your skin gently. 2 models for your selection, making hair removal much easier and your skin more smooth. 500,000 flashes can be reused many times. Save cost, save time. This professional IPL hair removal device suits for different colors of the skin. Before use, please check your skin color if suitable or not, because it doesn't suit the dark skin. First, shave the body hair. Wear glasses. Press the switch, choose the proper level, touch the skin with 90 degrees vertically, and move slowly to avoid staying in the same area for a long time. Auto mode that can be used to remove the hair on the face, on the bikini line and underarms. Manual mode can be used to remove body hair accurately on the back, arms and legs.
I want to recommend this hair removal device because just only a few weeks I get rid of my body hair.
It's really amazing. All body hair disappeared without any pain.
This is the best hair removal device I have used. Just only 2 minutes can remove hair on my face and lips.
The professional IPL hair removal device easily solves the problem of body hair, makes your skin smooth, and lets your beauty shine.